Want a perfectly crisp pizza base every time? Blind baking is your secret weapon. Start by preheating your oven. Unroll your ready-made pizza dough onto a baking tray with parchment paper. Now dop that dough. Just poke it all over with a fork to prevent bubbling. Brush with a light coat of olive oil. This creates a moisture barrier. Pop it into the oven and set your timer. We want it firm but not browned. Look at that, slightly puffed and no longer raw but not fully baked. Perfect. Now add your favorite toppings. For pizzeria-style flavor, brush the edges with a mix of olive oil, garlic powder and herbs. Back into the oven to finish the job. Crispy crust and golden toppings. A few extra minutes. Infinitely better pizza.